Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the glow function on the Facetune application on your selfies if you want to have a gorgeous glow. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone and then tap on a picture that you want to edit. After that, click on the retouch button down below, which is the second option. Now slide to the right side of the screen until you find this glow icon and tap on it. You should zoom in and select that relevant part where you want to apply this glow effect. You can intensify it and adjust it by the help of the scale down below. So if you want to erase any of these parts and reset to your original copy, tap on it and you will be able to change it. So if you zoom out, you can see how it looks like. If you want to save it, click on the check mark icon down below in the right side corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.